So today, as we have already mentioned, today we are half an hour late. Okay, no problem with that. We'll start with logarithms. Okay, we'll start with what? Logarithms. So logarithm is the base. You can say it is the base. You have to know. This is a very important chapter. Okay. Everyone thinks that this is of no importance. This is a very easy chapter. Yes, it is a very easy and scoring topic. Okay. But once you get into the depth of this topic, you will find out how critical can this topic can also be. Okay. So we'll start with logarithms. So first of all, I think everybody knows English, so it's better if we speak in English. ঠিক আছে, সবে হয়তো কাবার অসমীয়াত অলপ প্ৰবলেম হ'ব পাৰে, হয়তো কাবার হিন্দীত, so it's better to speak in Assamese and English. Okay, so it is an easy and scoring topic. You do not need to write down. First understand what is meant by logarithms. Most of you who have done the demo classes might have known. I have already done a part of this in the demo classes, so it will be easy for them. But those who are new, it will be a new topic, so just focus and try to concentrate. So first of all, logarithms আমি জানা আগতে প্ৰথমতে আমি জানিব লাগিব কি ফৰ্মস, ঠিক আছে। So there are two forms. One is exponential form. ठीक है, an extension of this exponential form is logarithmic form. ठीक है, extension of this form is what? Logarithmic form. What is exponential form? See, আমি যেটা হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি পড়িছিলো, when we are studying higher secondary, everyone thought that ki e to the power x is a exponential form. ठीक है sir? Okay, this is absolutely correct. E to the power x is a exponential form, but everyone thinks that exponential form is represented by e to the power x, which is not true. ठीक है, exponential form is not represented by e to the power x. Its main representation is a to the power x. ठीक है, its main representation is a to the power x. Here x is known as exponent and a is the base. ठीक है, it might be boring, but you have to understand each and everything, so just note it down. So the main representation is this one. N is equals to a to the power x, where x is in power, so it is known as exponent, and a is the base, so it is known as what? Base. ठीक है, now there are certain criteria. Directly you cannot tell that is a exponential form. The criteria is that the base term a cannot be equals to 1 and a should always be greater than 0. ठीक है, a cannot be equals to 1 and a should always be greater than 0. Then only this form is an exponential form. ठीक है, ठीक है। Next, if we go into logarithmic form, the main general formation or general formula you can tell the logarithmic form is log n base a equals to x. सुबह जाना है कि नहीं, log n base a equals to x. ठीक है सर, this is only defined, this form is only defined when কেতিয়া হ'ব, it will only be defined when n is greater than 0 ठीक है. n should always be greater than 0. This number is not valid for numbers less than 0. ठीक है. a should also be greater than 0 and a should not be equals to 1. We will do the sums, then only you can understand what is the use of this. ठीक है. We will do sums, then only you can understand what is the use of these things. Okay. So just note it down. Okay, I'll not waste time in easy sums. You guys know how to do that. Just I will teach you certain small sums. Let's say I think I have given you a PDF. ठीक है, उसमें सारे questions हैं. Just you go through the PDF. We will solve those questions in class, and for DPP and extra practice problems I will provide you later. ठीक है. So there was a question which was log of 27 base 81 equals to x. log 27 base 81 equals to x. So eto keneke likhibo pari 27 is equals to 81 to the power x. So eto keneke ahil. First let us understand those who are new to logarithm. Logarithmic value, logarithmer form ki asile. What was the form of logarithm? Log n base a is equals to x. ठीक है. So when a goes here, it becomes n is equals to a to the power x. ठीक है. So this is the exponential form. So this is the logarithmic form. So in order to remember, just এনেকে মনত ৰাখি দিবা যে logarithm is inverse of exponential. ঠিক আছে. Actually this is not true, but we will discuss it later on functions. But first of all, just try to remember कि कैसे लिखे. So 27 is equals to 81 to the power x. So this is what 3 power 3. This is 3 power 4. So base is same. So exponent will be equal. So x is equals to how much? 3 divided by 4. ठीक है. I think everyone is listening and concentrating. This is a very easy topic. ठीक है. I am trying to teach it as much easy as I can. So just carry on with it. ठीक है. There is a question, log of 125 base 625 equals to x. So how can we proceed? 625 to the power x. So 125 is equals to 625 to the power x. So what is 125? 125 is 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So 5 cube, and 125 into 5 was 625. So 4x. So this is also 3 is equals to 4x. So x will come out to be what? 3 by 4. ठीक है. Just note it down. Okay. There is a long question, or you can say double log question. This are known as double log questions. Okay. So एक तो दिया हुआ है ऐसे. ठीक है. तो यार आंसर की होगा लियाबो दिसे. ओके. अच्छा सॉरी. Actually this is given as x. I think there was a misprint. तो ये तो x होगा. ठीक है. तो याते डबल लॉग থাকিলে what we will do? First we will solve the first log portion. ठीक है. तो first log portion if we solve, it will be log 4 base 2 is equals to 2 to the power x. Okay. Now you solve the second portion. ठीक है. तो second portion will be 4 is equals to 2 to the power 2x, 2 to the power 2 to the power x. ठीक है. So what will be 2 to the power 2? It will be 4. 4 की power x. That means x is equals to how much? ठीक है. So by mistake I think I have just written the answer. So this is the full solve. ठीक है. So first if you are given a double log problem, then first of all you have to solve the first log term which is outside the bracket, then you have to go on for the inside the bracket wala log. ठीक है. So there are certain fundamental identities which you should remember. ठीक है. The first fundamental identity is a to the power log n base a is equals to n. ठीक है. So what is this basically? That if here what this is the exponent term. ठीक है. This is a to the power x term. In exponent there is log. ठीक है. So if যদি এর পাওয়াৰত log n বেস সেম এলিমেন্ট থাকে, বেস টু আৰু ইয়াৰ বেস টু. ঠিক আছে. দিস ইজ বেস অফ লগ. ঠিক আছে. দিস ইজ বেস অফ লগ, দিস ইজ বেস. সো এই দুটা যদি সমান হৈ যায় দেন the value will be the n itself. ठीक है. This is one fundamental identity. ठीक है. Second, log n base n is always equals to 1. ठीक है. Everyone knows this thing. Number 3, log n base 1 by n is equals to negative 1. ठीक है. I will show you कि ये कैसे होता है, how this occurs. ठीक है. And number 4 is log 1 base a is equals to 0. ठीक है. Note it down. These 4 are the fundamental identities. ठीक है. Write down another one. Log n to the power a base n to the power b is equals to a divided by b. ठीक है. Is equals to a divided by b. Okay. So proof of this thing, how it happens? Log n base 1 divided by n. ठीक है. Log n base 1 divided by n, we can write it as log n to the power minus 1. 1 by n and n to the power minus 1 is same. Clear? So a to the power a, n to the power a, sorry, what is the value of a? A is 1 and b is what? Minus 1. So 1 divided by minus 1, answer is minus 1. ठीक है. So this is the value of log n base 1 by n. So this is the proof of this identity. ठीक है. Identity खिनि लिखी बोल तो दिख पाना. So मैं जो देने वाला question पाओ. Let us solve the questions that I have given you. 2 to the power log 7 base 2. So what will be the answer of this question? That 2 আছে. Both of them are same. So answer will be directly 7. Shortcut method. ठीक है. एकदम shortcut. It will consume less time. ठीक है. Next, let's say we have log of tan 70 degree base tan 20 degree. ठीक है. Log of tan 70 degree base tan 20 degree. And everyone knows कि tan 70 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 20 degree. ठीक है. Which is equals to what? कितना आएगा? tan 90 minus 20, it will be cot 20 degree. ठीक है. तो cot 20 degree is equals to 1 divided by tan 20 degree. Everyone knows these things. ठीक है. Cot 20 degree is equals to 1 divided by tan 20 degree. So just place it here. It will be log tan 20 degree and tan 70 degree is equals to tan 20 degree to the power minus 1. Clear? So a by b formula, a by b. So a is minus 1, b is 1. Answer is how much? Minus 1. ठीक है, आंसर इज नेगेटिव। नाउ let us move on to the bar question. Yes, how can we solve the bar question? Say it is given as log of base 10 0.9 0.9 के ऊपर bar. What do you mean by bar? Bar means repeated oscillation of that number. ठीक है, what is 9 bar? 9 bar means 9999999 0.9, it will go on. ठीक है, so if you see any number which is repeated oscillations to infinity, you can write with a bar. ठीक है, now how can we solve this kind of questions? First, let us assume 0.9 bar is equals to x. ठीक है, now we will do somewhat like a heat and trial method. Heat and trial method, how can we do? So কেনেকৈ কৰে যে this is x, or we can write it as 1x. Just first understand 1x. So 0.99999 is very much nearer to 1. ठीक है, okay. Now if we multiply x with 10, ठीक है, then 1 হলে যদি 0.99999 হয়, তেনেহলে 10 হলে কি আহি যাব 9.9 বার। Everyone understood? Just a heat and trial method. কেনেকৈ কৰে 0.9999 1 ৰ একদম ওচৰত, ঠিক আছে, তেনেহলে 10 ৰ একদম ওচৰত কি আহিব 9.9999, ঠিক আছে। Now we subtract it. If we subtract this thing, 10x minus 1x is 9x is equals to 9.9 bar minus 0.9 bar is equals to how much 9. So x is equals to what? X is equals to 1. তার মানে 0.9 bar is equals to near about equals to কি 1. Clear? That means this value will be log 1 base 10. Understood? So log 1 base 10 is equals to how much? ठीक है, this is basically not a formula. ठीक है, यार प्रूफो আছে, but I hope कि this is a easy thing you should know. So यार मैं proof कराई नहीं दूँ। If anyone wants the proof, then just DM me. I'll provide them with this proof. Very easy proof. Okay? So you can just write कि this is a type. This is a type of a question, type 1, let's say. This is type 1. Okay? I always prefer कि you should write down the types. How many types are there, so that afterwards you do not face any problems. Okay? So this is one type of question in logarithm which can be asked in the exam. Okay? Now we will do a second type of question. Let's say type 2. Okay? This is a type 2 question. So this is infinite series. Infinite series problem. Okay? This is an infinite series problem. So question is given as log of base 5 and it will continue towards infinity. Okay? So how to respond to this type of questions? Okay? First, you take this part. Okay? So y is equals to 5 till infinity. Okay? এটা বস্তু লক্ষ্য কৰা ইয়াতে যে প্ৰথম যিটো ৰুট ওভাৰৰ পাৰ্ট আছে বাকীখিনি অঁতৰাই দিয়ে, বাকীখিনি নাচাবা, খালি প্ৰথম ৰুট ওভাৰ 5টো চোৱা। চ' প্ৰথম ৰুট ওভাৰ 5টো ইজ ইকুৱেলছ টু y। তেনেহ'লে সেম বস্তুৱেইটো ৰিপিট হৈ আছে এভৰি টাইম, ৰুট 5 চব বস্তু সেমে ৰিপিট হৈ আছে। তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি কি ল'ব পাৰোঁ? তেতিয়াহ'লে এইটোতো কি সেম বস্তু ৰিপিটেশ্যন, আৰু এইটোক আমি কি বুলি ধৰিছিলোঁ y। তো y ইজ ইকুৱেলছ টু ৰুট ওভাৰ কি আহি যাব 5y আহি যাব। ঠিক আছে, মনত ৰাখিবা এইটো কনচেপ্ট। ঠিক আছে, বিকজ দিছ ইজ ৰিপিটেশ্যন, তুমি ইনফাইনাইটলৈকে তো ৰুট 5 লৈ গৈ থাকিবা, হয়নে নাই? তো আল্টিমেটলি আমাৰ y ৰ ভ্যালু কি আহিব সো this is y square is equals to 5y. clear? Y square equals to 5y. So y square minus 5y equals to 0. clear? তার মানে y into y minus 5 equals to how much? 0. So y equals to 0 and y equals to 5. Because this is a quadratic equation, so there will be two solutions, y1 and y2. ठीक है? तो y1 value is let's say 0 and y2 value is let's say 5. okay. তার মানে কি যে একবার ইয়ার ভ্যালু 0 আহিছে, একবার গুটেটোৰ ভ্যালু 5 আহিছে. So this will be log 0 base 5. And I have already told you that n should be greater than 0, means this value should not be equal to 0. This should be greater than 0. So this value is not possible. Clear? This value is not possible. So the remaining value is log 5 base 5, which is equals to how much? 1. तार माने log 5 log base 5 root over this is equals to what? 1. Clear? बुझी पाइसा सके सुने लिखी लो कितना प्रॉब्लम होले कबा मु okay. So infinite series or other question मैं तुम्हारे को दिसु, that will be your homework. okay. Now base 7 plus 2x plus 9 equal to 0. ठीक है? So how can we solve this question? तो ये केनेके solve होगा स्वा? यार base to logarithm और base और exponent और base दुइटा same. तार माने this value will turn out to be what? X. ठीक है? And this will be 2x plus 9 equals to 0. So 3x equals to minus 9. So x equals to minus 3. Now, so in entrance you have to be very patient and very cautious. So x equals to minus 3 আহিল. এটো অপশনত থাকিব. বুজি পাইছে না সবে? এটো অপশনত থাকিব. কিন্তু এটো তোমালোকৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব নোৱাৰে কিয়? So x তুমি general linear equationত বহাই দিয়া no problem. But this x, this is what? This is your n, and n should always be key greater than 0. Clear? So x is equals to minus 3, that means this is less than 0. Therefore answer is no solution. Clear? halke solve. Next question is log tan 5 degree, tan 13 degree, and this is 9 degree, 13 degree dot up to log tan 61 degree. You guys do not need to write down the questions. ঠিক আছে? Already मैं তোমালোকক PDF পঠাই দিছো, so question তাতে আছে. ঠিক আছে? जी बिला question लिखिब লাগিব. You just write down the question number and write down the solutions. Okay? আচ্ছা. তো সোয়া ইয়াতে নাম্বার বিলা ইয়াৰ যদি সলিউশন মই উলাব কম, ইয়াৰ নাম্বার বিলাকৰ সিকোয়েন্স তো তোমালোকে প্ৰথমতে চাই ল'ব লাগিব. ঠিক আছে? এটা চোন 5 plus 4 কিমান 9, 9 plus 4 কিমান 13, 13 plus 4. So মই লিখি গৈ আছো, it will be easy. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 4 how much? 7 8 9 10 11, 21 plus 4 25, plus 4 29, plus 4 31, plus 4 এইবিলাক তোমালোকে লিখিব নালাগে হা. 35 plus 4 39, plus 4 প্লাছ 4 কিমান আহি যাব 39 প্লাছ 4 13 43 প্লাছ 4 47 ঠিক আছে প্লাছ 4 কিমান আহি যাব so this is the longest possible way in which you can do ঠিক আছে do not try to do this type of questions in this sequence এনেকে sequence of কেতিয়াও question to কৰিবলৈ নাহিবা ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা next তেনেহলে আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো এটা চোৱা next আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো এটা next আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো যে 47 আৰু 4 এটা চোৱা এটো হ'ব কি হ'ব ডাইৰেক্ট তোমালোকে এটা কাম কৰিব পাৰা যে ইয়াতে তিনটা এলিমেন্ট দিছে only 3 variables are given 5 9 13 বুজি পাইছা না 13 তো এটোক আমি এনেকে লিখিব পাৰো যে এই গুটেকিটা এলিমেন্টটো থাকিবই এই গুটেকিটা এলিমেন্টটো থাকিবই I can see this I'm rubbing it down so এই গুটেকিটা এলিমেন্টটো থাকিবই no doubt কিন্তু 10 5 degree 10 9 degree 10 13 degree এগুলা কি হয় you will need calculator to solve this okay কিন্তু সোয়া ইয়াৰ মাজত এনেকুৱা এটা ভ্যালু আহিব যত নেকি log 10 45 ডিগ্ৰী থাকিব ঠিক আছে log 10 5 degree 10 9 degree 10 13 degree রোডত log 10 45 ডিগ্ৰী আহিব না মাজত তাৰপিছত কি হ'ব log 10 61 ডিগ্ৰী ঠিক আছে তাৰ মানে log 10 45 is how much 1 তাৰ মানে log গুটেখিনি আহিব log 1 base যদি একো না থাকে কিমান ৰাখো আমি base obviously 10 if there is no base given that means your base is how much 10 so log 1 base 10 is how much 0 so into so 0 into this side 0 and তাইছত 0 into this side is 0 what is your answer 0 ঠিক আছে so always this is another type so always try to do this type of questions logically the enako eta point ahibo jot niki 45 degree thakibo ঠিক আছে তো आंसर কি আহি যাব आंसर is 0 ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে actually last time there was a big mistake in my calculation ঠিক আছে calculation to কেনেকুৱা কৰিছো যে 9 plus 5 plus 4 9 প্ৰথমতে 5 থাকিলে so 9 9 plus 4 13 13 plus 4 17 17 plus 4 21 21 plus 4 25 25 plus 4 29 29 plus 4 33 33 plus 4 37 37 plus 4 কিমান আহি যাব 41 41 plus 4 আহিব 45 this is your 45 degree angle ঠিক আছে গুটেকিটা অ্যাঙ্গেল তো আহিবই ঠিক আছে actually we can say that this whole thing is in AP ঠিক আছে common difference 4 ইমান ভিতৰত যাব না লাগে just do a little bit of manual calculation 45 degree আহে নে নাই আহিব এনেকুৱা কোৱেশ্চন যদি দিয়া থাকে কিবা নহয় কিবা এটা ভ্যালু ভিতৰত দিয়া হৈ থাকিব বুজি পাইছা নাই সবে সো বেসিক্যালি এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ কোৱেশ্চন আহিলে আনসাৰ 0 আহে হেতু মনত ৰাখিবা because basically এনেকুৱা যদি AP সিরিজতে দিয়া হ'ব maximum AP সিরিজত দিলে 45 ডিগ্ৰী আহি যাব and tan 45 is 1 ঠিক আছে and log of 1 is how much 0 ঠিক আছে so thank you for today you start with your chemistry classes okay যদি কাবাৰ কিবা problem থাকে please send me your queries মোক ফোন কৰিবা ঠিক আছে আৰু problem যদি থাকে বা কিবা লিখিব পাৰা নাই you will get in the video okay chalo bye bye thank you